The trend analysis remains easy when you see the Dow is still trading above the T-line coming out of this little J-hook pattern. But you're now getting up toward the overbought condition. So when is there the time that it might start backing off? So far with the analysis from candlesticks, there isn't a sell signal and we're still trading above the T-line. But there are warning signs. And the warning signs are coming a little bit from the NASDAQ, where it did a doji right at the same level it topped out before and then traded lower today. Even though it came back up and traded above the T-line, it makes it very important to see how the pre-market futures are showing how the market's going to open tomorrow. A lower open would be a good indication that they finally hit a resistance level. It's time to start taking profits. On the other hand, a positive open and continuing higher, trying to breach this level, tells us we're still in a strong uptrend and our trajectory could be coming back up into this trajectory. And the old saying is, all boats are going to rise in a rising tide. What we're looking for in candlestick analysis is which boats are going to rise a lot faster. So as you look at the gold chart, you can see there was a big reversal in gold right about the same level it bottomed out before. Back up through the T-line. Notice our double doji, a very simple trading pattern that after a big move, there's consolidation and consolidation. And how can we tell it's consolidation versus a reversal again? Because of the nature of each individual signal. A doji tells you there's indecision, so a pullback and an indecisive nature just tells us that's probably profit taking versus full-scale selling. And as soon as it opened positive the next day, we knew that our uptrend remained in progress. At this point, we can see that we've kind of breached this little downtrending channel. There should be some more upside. That allows investors to participate in the strong sector, which would be gold stocks. In charts like SA, where it's breached this downtrending channel with a doji type day gap up, that we should now be in wave 3. So that makes for high probabilities that if the market hasn't turned over yet, gold prices are heading up, and individual gold stocks are reaching their resistance levels, that puts you in a situation where the probabilities are extremely strong. You're in a nice up move. And the aggressive investor can take advantage of the leveraged funds like Nugget. Notice we had our best friend signal, doji followed by a gap up. Then they gapped up through this downtrending channel. Another strong day today tells us we could be now in wave 3. Wave 1, wave 2, and the wave 3 starting with a very powerful signal, the best friend signal, tells us there should be more upside. So this is important for the investor as well as the option investor, knowing that the timing, either at this point or at this point, tells us we're going to have more upside. That you don't have to be sitting in options for a very long time frame. You know exactly when it's time to enter a trade. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.